Arthritis, ways to make the pain bearable. Each year, adult men and women are forced to cope with the often debilitating effects and symptoms of arthritis. In fact, there are more than 100 unique types of arthritis, which makes it very likely that you or someone you know has the disease. These carefully selected tips and tricks offer insight into the nature of arthritis. Maintaining proper posture will help your joints to stay strong. Proper posture does wonders in decreasing arthritis pain. Keep your body straight when you are standing up, and do not slouch when you sit. Your legs should both be supporting your weight equally. As your joint strength increases, you will notice that you feel better overall. Unlike many medical issues, moderate alcohol consumption has been shown in studies to not worsen the condition. In fact, some research shows that alcohol can actually alleviate mild arthritis-related pain. If you have arthritis, consider taking part in aquatic activities. Not only are aquatic activities good for stretching out your joints and muscles, but the water is also soothing for someone who suffers from chronic arthritis, especially if the water is warm. Try joining a swimming class if you do not know how to swim. Keeping an arthritis journal can actually help you control your symptoms. Each time your arthritis is bothering you, write about what you do that day in your journal. This way, you can start to see a pattern as to what is causing your arthritis pain so you can slow down on that activity. If you have felt the effects of arthritis firsthand, you understand the many challenges that the condition presents. By following the advice in this video, you can learn more about the disease, including treatment options and a number of useful tips and hints that have helped others in your position. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.